Hello! In front of me I've got Chevrolet Captiva. In this video I'll show you how to jump start the car. This car currently have battery which is dead. Just let me show you. As you can see, it's dead. So let me show you how to jump start your car. Currently I'm going to use this booster device, but if you want to use the cables from the another car, the whole process will be the same. Firstly, here we've got our car battery. In the beginning, connect the red cable from your car or from the booster to plus in your battery, which is dead. Now when it's plugged, the black cable connect either to minus on the battery or to any non-painting metal part on the car. I will connect it with the minus on the battery. Now let's take a look on the car. Sometimes when the battery is dead, like totally dead, you'll have to wait a few minutes for it to charge, but mine isn't dead at all. So now I can insert the car key, and without any problem I will be able to start the car. Now we have to unplug the battery, and we are going to do the same thing but in the opposite. So firstly the black and then the red cable, and it's done. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.